Welcome to this guided meditation shower journey focused on self-care. Let's release the fatigue and stress of the day together. First, prepare a comfortable bathing environment. Start by standing under the water stream and feel the temperature of the water. Let the warm drops gently nourish your skin while the water flows, providing a soothing massage to your muscles. Gently close your eyes and enter a state of relaxation. Take a deep breath and focus your attention on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale slowly, and then exhale slowly. Feel the energy and tranquility that each breath brings. Let your breath become deeper and more relaxed. Begin to observe the sensory stimuli of your body and the surrounding environment. Feel the water droplets sliding over your skin and the warm mist enveloping you. Listen to the sound of the flowing water, allowing it to guide you into a deeper state of meditation. Shift your attention to different parts of your body. Notice your scalp as the water droplets gently fall, soothing your head. Let this sensation extend to your face, gently relaxing your facial muscles. Allow the water to flow down your neck, gently massaging your shoulders and back. Feel the pressure and fatigue gradually dissipating as the water flows, providing relief and relaxation to your body. Now, redirect your focus to your arms and hands. Feel the water flowing from your fingertips all the way down your arms, washing away the tension and fatigue of the day. Notice the release of pressure and tension between your fingers, replaced by a sense of lightness and relaxation. Guide the water stream to your legs and feet. Feel the water gliding over your thighs, calves, and ankles, gradually washing away accumulated stress and fatigue. Sense your legs becoming lighter and more revitalized, as if regaining strength. As the water warmly showers your entire body from head to toe, imagine it carrying away all burdens and stresses, while infusing your body with vitality and tranquility. Embrace yourself with your hands, feeling the warmth and self-love emanating from your body. This moment is dedicated to caring for yourself, releasing tiredness, and restoring energy. Give yourself a sincere smile, embracing the inner peace and balance. Close the water tap and express gratitude to yourself for taking this time to nurture and replenish your energy. When you're ready to conclude the meditation, gradually reduce the water flow until it comes to a complete stop. Express gratitude for the cleansing and revitalizing power of water, as well as the benefits of this meditation. Now, gently open your eyes. Dry your body and put on fresh clothes. You may slowly turn off the shower valve and step out of the shower. Carry the relaxation and serenity with you in the coming days, and recall the sensations from this meditation whenever needed. Thank yourself and wish you a pleasant day ahead. Thank you. Please comment, like, and subscribe our channel. Share this meditation journey with your loved ones. Enjoy life and love yourself even more.